First off, I want you to watch this video till the end because you'll gain some excellent information today. I'm going to teach you how to create an attractive thumbnail with some powerful Photoshop tricks. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, my friend. First thing we'll do is go to File, then click New and choose our dimensions, 1920 by 1080 at 300 resolution. After that, we'll click OK. Now let's change the background color to black by going to the color overlay and selecting black. As you can see, after that we'll bring in a picture of a suit and position it on the right like this. Then we'll bring in a picture of Messi's head and place it near the suit. We want to show that Messi is a millionaire and whatnot and the best player in the world and all that stuff. Next, we want to adjust the shadow. We'll adjust the shadow and light on Messi's head using the curve tool. We'll use the curve tool and create a clipping mask. We'll reduce the shadow like this with the curve tool, lowering it, and then we'll hit Control on the keyboard. Make sure it's white, then click OK. Now we'll grab our brush like this and just work on our layer in multiply mode. We'll go over the areas with shadow like this. As you can see here, we have a before and after comparison. Now, my friends, let's work on our lighting. We'll create a clipping mask that will automatically apply, and we'll increase our light intensity a bit. Then we'll use the Control key on the keyboard to invert the mask. We'll make sure it's white so that we can draw and add our highlights like this. We'll focus on the areas with light on the head. We finish the shading and lighting on Messi's head. After that, we'll bring in our dollar image and place it below Messi's picture like this. We'll move it to the right, just as you can see here. After that, we'll bring in a soccer ball image, place it slightly below, and add a drop shadow. We'll make the drop shadow color green, just as you can see here. After that, we'll bring in the dollar image and place it on top, making it the top layer. We'll take the dollar image just as you can see here. Now we want to change the color of the dollar image. We'll use Ctrl+U on the keyboard to adjust the hue and increase the saturation. Let's adjust the green one and reduce it a bit to make it look like the same picture of money in black dollars and green dollars. As you can see, we'll do this, okay? After that, we'll take a copy of the dollar image and place it under all the pictures beneath Messi's picture like this. And we'll use Ctrl+T on the keyboard to make it smaller. We'll put it here like this, my friend. After that, we'll go and get the flying dollar image, place it on top like this, and use Ctrl+U on the keyboard as well. We'll use the same green color like this and reduce it as you see.
To give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
After that, we'll go and grab our message image like this and hide it. Then we'll make a layer and get our shape. We'll drag it like this, click with the mouse and pull it like this. We want to give it a slight curve, so we'll do it just like you're seeing here. We can enlarge it a bit. Let's do Ctrl+D and make it a bit bigger, just like you're seeing here. We can do Ctrl+T and bring it down, make it a bit smaller like this. As you can see, after that, we'll go and get our message, bring it up, and then we'll make it a clipping mask. But the most important thing is to create the shape. After that, we'll make our message image a clipping mask. We'll do Ctrl+T, make it smaller like this. Try to adjust it, make it smaller again, just like you're seeing here. Ball image. Let's create a layer and make a mask to bring in our brush. We'll change the blending mode, enlarge the brush, and add a shadow here like this. Let's move to the dollar image. We'll also create a layer, make a clipping mask, and change the blending mode to overlay. We'll bring in our brush like this, add a shadow here, and then move on to Messi's soup image. We'll create a layer, make a clipping mask, and do the same thing we did before. We'll increase the size of our brush like this, and add a shadow just like you're seeing here. All that's left are the colors. What we're going to do is combine all the layers. We're not using any filters, honestly, as it would completely change the design. We'll combine everything like this and then use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T to merge them all into one. Then we'll go to filter and then to camera raw filter. Let's check before and after effects. Support me with likes, comments, and subscribe. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like. Goodbye, friend.